Welcome to Unskooler, India's exclusive e-learning platform. My name is Astha Mukherjee and I am your physics mentor. We will be moving on to the next topic that involves some kind of classification. Okay, classification of what? Classification of the kinds of objects. Like in the beginning of this topic only, I told you about there are kind of objects which have their own light. Alright, and there are the ones which do not have their own light. So the ones which are having their own light are called as luminous objects. Okay, so the first kind of classification that we learn about are the luminous objects. What are luminous objects? Which have their own light to emit. For example, sun. For example, tube lights. For example, incandescent bulbs. So all these objects are said to be luminous objects because they have their own light. The second category of the objects that we learn about is non-luminous objects. Non-luminous objects are the ones which do not have their own light and can be seen with the help of light which they reflect. Luminous objects are the kind of objects which actually reflect the light received from the luminous objects to be seen. For example, human beings, for example, table, chair, this board, this marker, duster, almost all these things are called as non-luminous objects because they can't be seen in the dark and they do not have their own light which they can emit to be seen.